Now we enter the jungle cruise at the Disney Venture theme park. Yeah. Well, what we see first, a lovely bunch of coconuts. I've got a lovely bunch of coconuts. I've got a lovely bunch of coconuts. I've got a lovely bunch of coconuts. We've got a lovely bunch of coconuts. We've got Pelican Pete right there. Behind me here, we've got a lovely bunch of mangrove trees. If we're real quiet, we might see the Florida jumping fish. It's just up there. You gotta take a look. There, we got one right there. That was a rather large one, at least 18 inches if I did say so myself, mate.